Wipe the back with hot towel. Have the customer lie on the stomach. Put the electrode pads under the abdomen to make it fully touches the skin. Apply RF gel evenly on back. Caress back and forth 3 times. Operate with XL probe. Move the probe on 大椎, do 14 in circles in fixed points 5 times. Move the probe on scapula slot from 大椎, do 14 in circles with one hand. Move in circles on scapula slot with the other hand. Move both hands in sector 3 times. Move from scapula slot to waist with both hands in circles in sector 3 times. Hold the probe with one hand, touch the skin with the other. Lift from sides of waist to governing vessel to scapula in lines back and forth 3 times. Please note the probe and the hand touch the skin all the time. Lift when moving upwards, use no strength when moving downwards. Combine with hand. Lift the probe from the side of scapula slot along scapula slot back and forth 3 times. Please note lift when moving upwards, use no strength when moving downwards. The probe stays at 大椎, do 14 after lifting for 3 times. Hold the operating head with the other hand and lift from 大椎, do 14 to governing vessel back and forth 5 times. Then lift bladder channel back and forth 5 times. Move in circular motions on 肩颈, gallbladder 21 3 times. Slide on 大阪筋 back and forth 3 times. Operate the other side of the back. Wipe back with towel. Take out electrode pad, wipe it and the probe with normal saline for next use. Do not use alcohol.